If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, I tried to make money on KashKick and this is what happened. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about KashKick. Now this is a popular get paid to / survey site that a lot of people ask about. A lot of people want to know, is this a legit website? Can you actually make money with KashKick? Now I did a video on KashKick a while ago, and in that video I pretty much just talked about my initial thoughts of KashKick and what other people were saying about this site. But about a week ago, I'm like, you know what? Let me join this site. Let me just see what it's about. Let me just see what the earning potential really is with KashKick. Now I discovered 2 points when it comes to making money with KashKick that will hopefully help you decide whether or not this is an opportunity for you. All right, so first let's talk about making money with surveys on KashKick, because a lot of people, when they talk about KashKick, they look at it from a paid survey viewpoint, like, oh, this is a great place to make money for taking surveys. All right, so I was shocked when I really did my research on this. Once I signed up for KashKick, I'm like, all right, let me see how much money I can make taking surveys. So I actually was gonna take the surveys, you know what I'm saying, just to see, for experiment. And so as I was looking at the surveys that was available to me, I started looking at like the time it took to take the surveys and then how much money I would get. So I was just doing like a rough estimate, just looking like the time, like, okay, this survey takes 10 minutes. Okay, this survey takes 20 minutes. Wait a minute. Shit, I only get like 20 cents for this, 50 cents for this, 10 cents for this, huh? So before I actually started a survey, I'm like, let me just add up, right? The amount of surveys available, right? How much time each one takes, and then how much I would make, right? And let me get a grand total. So that's what I did. And I was like, are you serious? Check this out. If I actually would have sat there and did all of the surveys that was available to me, all right, check this out. It would have took me around 7.5 hours to do all of the surveys, right? And that's assuming that I just sat there and I was fast and, you know what I'm saying, and I answered everything real quick and all that. It would have took me 7.5 damn hours, all right? Now you might be thinking, all right, you know what I'm saying, it's cool, I got 7 hours to spare. If you do, great, but I really don't. But you might be thinking, that's cool, but how much money? I know you probably, shit, you do 7 hours. I know you probably, you know what I'm saying, how much you gonna make? $100, $150? How much you getting paid for doing that, right? If I would have did all of the surveys, if I would have put that 7.5 hours in, I would have earned around $7.07. So we'll just call it 7, all right? So think about that. 7.5 hours, that is less. I would have been making less than $1 damn an hour. Like right there. Like let's not play no damn games. The surveys, no, hell no, ain't worth it. If you trying to take shit, you trying to do surveys for money on KashKick and you're like, I'm just gonna take some surveys, make some money. Good luck. Good luck with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow. Like I was offended actually just by when I added up the numbers and the surveys. I'm like, really? Like, who the hell y'all think gonna sit here and take all these surveys for less than $1 an hour? You know what I'm saying? That was crazy. So obviously I didn't take not one damn survey. I did not even waste my time to even experiment, right? So when it comes to paid surveys on KashKick, I don't suggest it, but that's just my opinion. But to be fair, can you make some sort of money on KashKick? And the answer is yes, because once you join KashKick, you do have the options to what I call you know, get paid to try offers, right? So they do have a section where you can actually try all these different, you know, products and services. And for everyone that you decide to try, you know, you can earn some money. They got things on there like, oh, open a bank account at so-and-so, you can get like $30. They got like try, I don't know if it was on there or not, but like try like Netflix and you can get like $20. You can try this computer software for $10, whatever. So if you decide to go that route and just do paid offers, you know what I'm saying? Then you could actually make, you know, probably a couple $100s a month from KashKick. Now I did something similar like this years ago when I first started trying to make money online. I used to do the whole get paid to offers and I actually made some money. But here's the thing. If you get involved with doing the whole get paid to offers, please keep track of the things that you do. Like literally use your computer word spread or word sheet, or use just a piece of paper and a pen. Keep track of everything that you sign up for, because a lot of times, and this is what I used to do, they have things where you can do a trial period. That's what I mainly did, right? Try so-and-so for 30 days and earn $50. Try this for 30 days. But if you do not cancel any of them programs that you sign up for, them free trials, oh, they gonna bill you if you go over that 30-day period. And that's where a lot of companies get their money, right? People forget to cancel their trials, or people actually like the product and stay on and keep paying. But if you get involved with that, getting paid offer stuff, keep track of what you're doing, right? And if you decide to do that, you know, you could earn some extra cash. Now, one problem with that is some of the offers that you need to complete to make money, you actually have to spend money. So say, for example, there might be an offer on KashKick where it says like, oh, buy, I'm just being stupid. Oh, just buy a bracelet for, you know, $100 and you'll get like $50 back. Something like that, right? So you're like, damn, I gotta come out of my pocket. You know what I'm saying? So be careful. If I was you and you're trying to make money with KashKick, try to find if they have any free offers, free trials where you can earn money for trying out the products or the service. Keep track of it, and you know you good to go, and you can actually make some money with KashKick. But overall, is KashKick worth it? It could be, but if you're trying to do it on some simple, easy taking surveys for extra cash,